What's up, guys? So I'm going to teach you how to take your old Weber and turn it into something all cleaned up. Till it's super dirty in there. It's had a lot of use. It's had about 10 years. I've never cleaned it. So in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your barbecue so that it looks brand new again. We also have two new items we're going to add to the barbecue. So one is going to be gourmet barbecue system hinged grate with the center insert that we're going to take out. And then also we have a brand new ash catcher. And then we got number 3.
Let go?
Yep.
Oh,
You okay?
yeah, it's just that last.
Awesome. Woo! That's gonna be cool. Can't wait. Woo! Oh, that's gonna be nice. Things. Cool. All right, so we finished the barbecue. We put a brand new grill in. Let's take a look. So we have a brand new grate that we can remove. This thing's gonna be awesome. We have a brand new asher, and you can see it works perfectly fine. Works great. I have also access to my coals. And then this thing just kind of pops on. Good to go. Can't wait to use it. Starts right up. Got a brand new battery in here. That works pretty good. And then, yeah, just need to load the charcoal and we're good.